No, Aiden. It's Pete's birthday. Can you say happy birthday to Pete?
Happy birthday, dear Pete.
Keep singing. Aiden.
Happy birthday, dear Pete. Happy birthday, dear Pete. Is that Pete's birthday?
Yeah, it's Pete's birthday. Can you keep going?
Happy birthday, dear Pete. Happy birthday, dear Pete. Happy birthday, dear Pete. Happy birthday, dear Pete.
That was really good. You want to do one more time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Happy birthday, dear Nana.
No. Back to Pete. One more for Pete.
Okay. Happy birthday, dear Kitty.
Pete, it's still Pete's birthday.
Okay. I could give you a present.
Yeah. Happy birthday, dear Pete.
Happy birthday, dear Pete. Happy birthday, dear Pete.
Louder.
Happy birthday, dear Pete. Happy birthday, dear Pete. Happy birthday, dear Pete. Happy birthday, dear Pete.
Yay, clap. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Pete.
Bye-bye, Pete. Don't die.
That's what she wants right there.
Darwin.